Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add texture to your artwork in 3 ways in IBIS Paint X. First one, using background canvas texture. In the layers option you can find the background option at the bottom. Choose the last box, square box visible there, and you can see many different texture they provide, but for this you have to have the paid membership except the first one, the canvas. All other cloth, fabric, watercolor paper, texture, everything you have to pay. So this is the first way you can add texture to your artwork, but these texture are really awesome and you can really enhance your artwork with this texture. When you are using watercolor painting, this texture is more useful. Second one, using materials. You can have different unique texture in this material pattern. Some dirty paper, jeans texture, and many more texture. All the paper texture are available in this material pattern. So when you use this material pattern, make sure you use the multiply blending mode, because when you keep that layer in normal mode, it just hide all the artwork behind it, the layers below it. So when you make sure and use multiply blending mode, this just this texture is applied to all the layers and the artworks look really amazing. You can see here when I make this layer as multiply and just draw anything on the lower layer, everything blend together and it looks really awesome. And there are many other beautiful texture which are under this material patterns. I'm showing here one by one. One of that is ice. So whenever we click on this material, it automatically opens the transform option. So you can just zoom in, zoom out, or make it repeat and use perspective transform, whatever you want. And this is the hemp texture. You can see this, I have used this texture more often in my artworks. So one more is this is jeans wind texture. I have never used this, to be honestly. And next I have to show one more. So this is damaged jeans. Here when I click on it, it just shows a single square, but when you click on the repeat option under the transform, it repeats by its own, and then you can see zoom in, zoom out. In many material patterns this happens, like they just provide a single square and you just can't get confused and you don't know what to do. So make sure you just click on the repeat option. And the third way is using the brush. So here I have chosen the felt tip pen soft brush. So in the type option, switch on the texture pattern by choosing any texture which are shown under. Now it really looks the same. Why? Because the opacity is at 0. So keep the opacity at maximum to get the full texture visible. So now the full texture is visible. You can find many different texture here, and the thing is, whatever texture we have seen in the first way using background canvas, all the texture are visible in these two. So glass, drawing paper, whatever texture you have seen there are all available here as well. So the first 2 ways, like the background canvas as well as the material pattern, both are like sometimes we need the membership, a premium membership to use them, but in this way we don't need that. So anyone can add texture to their artwork using this brush. So they are really seamless. So not the strokes are not divided. So now I have chosen different texture, and I'm choosing another texture. So you can see all the texture are really different and really beautiful. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.